What's up, everyone? So since Disney World's closed, we decided we're going to take Disney World. So our first ride today is going to be Slinky Dog. We're strapping him into his Disney virtual reality chair. Excuse me, sir. You must buckle up before you ride the ride. Please keep all hands and feet in during the ride.
Hey.
Okay.
Your first ride at Disney. Ready? Here we go.
Uh-oh, going backwards. We're going backwards. Put your hands up. Woo! 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 Mom's got no motion sickness. There goes his feet. Woo!
Was that fun?
Oh no, it's still left, still a piece of it left. Are you ready? Hang on. It's the big finale. Oh, nope, guess that's it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!